How much you paid for this one, sir?
Yes, after discount, yes, sir. Around 40,687.
See, sir, this is the premium box, okay? iPhone 16e, black color 256 variant, right? Same color they ordered. I'm going to open this seal line, okay? When you ordered this one, sir?
On 28th of February.
Okay, see, sir. See, same color you ordered, right? I'm going to open this one. Okay, there is no damage on screen. Okay. Same color you ordered, right? How much you paid for this one, sir?
Yes, after discount, yes, sir. Around 40,687.
See, there is no physical damage. Okay, scratches, dent like that. See, screen was getting. This is only open box delivery.
Okay.
Cable and